Today's video, I'm going to share something that's been in my mind, and that's actually has to do with manifestation. Why I feel like manifestation does not work unless we actually do the work, unless we actually do the thing. And I mean, you've ever seen people say something like, just think positive and just believe. There's a lot of word around belief, positive thinking, and all of that. Why I believe in that, I also believe that positive thinking only brightens your mind. Positive thinking helps you to be open-minded. Positive thinking helps you to see a better future. Positive thinking helps you to be motivated. Positive thinking does not bring in discipline. Positive thinking does not do the work. So I mean, there's this saying by my friend who he always says something around, in trying to be, we become. When trying to be, we become. So let's say we have something in my mind, I want to try to achieve, I want to be like this thing, and then I try to walk that path that makes me look like what I want to attract. So there's a lot of videos that talks about manifestation, but I think what people don't actually say about manifestation is the fact that things don't get done because you thought about them. Things get done because you actually did the work. So basically, in trying to be, we become. So you want to look like what you want to attract. So basically, that's the idea behind that saying, and I think I agree with it. I mean, there's a lot of things people say about vision boards, and people talk about positive affirmation, just believe. All those kind of stuff, they are nice. I also have journals. Like, I use journals a lot, and I journal a lot of my thoughts. It helps me to guide my thoughts. If I have an idea, I can really write it down and then just stick it to a particular book or stick it to my door or something. It's nice, but the thing I want to talk about is the fact that you actually have to do the work. Like, people don't just manifest things because they thought about it. Then you now have to think about it and then try to do the work that is required with that thinking. Manifestation is equals to intention plus action. So I believe that the more intentional that you are about your goals, manifestation gives you that visual representation, what it looks like. If I'm the thing I'm trying to become, what it looks like, then what are the actions, what are the things that I have to do, the step-by-step things that I need to do practically to become that thing. That is basically what I believe manifestation is, and I wrote it down like in reality. I believe that manifestation is a combination of vision and action, which for me is manifestation equals to intention plus action. So why I think that positive thinking alone is not enough, like I think that positive thinking alone is not enough. I think that you need to, beyond being positive minded, you need to make daily steps. You need to take daily steps, and I think that action is what drives manifestation. So I want to manifest this thing. I want to become somebody of value. I want to make XYZ amount of money. I want to become a well-known speaker. Whatever the goal is, I want to manifest it. I want to manifest that. But then, what are the daily things I have to do to actually start where I am that can take me to where I'm going to? I want to save XYZ amount of money by the end of the year because it's going to get me into financial freedom. Probably the money I'm going to make, I'm going to then take it to invest in a business. So that is me saying I want to manifest this. And then what are the money? Then I have to now ask myself, what are the action, daily step-by-step process I have to go through, or daily tasks I have to do in every single day to get to that place. So it could be that I have to save XYZ amount of money. I have to get XYZ amount of job, make XYZ amount of money per month for me to achieve this particular goal. Then I take the necessary steps that will lead me to that can me to manifest whatever I want to become. So that also comes with consistency. Just for example, I made a plan that I was going to start making videos every single day, and basically I will start posting video every single day on YouTube here over the next 6, 7, 1 year, over the next 20 years and all of that. But I have to set all of these plans into milestones. I want to do 2 videos a week. I want to do 3 videos a week, for example. For me to be consistent, I have to choose a particular day to shoot all of my content, choose a particular day to edit them, choose a particular day to start scheduling all of them. So I want to manifest being one of the top creators on YouTube, on digital marketing, personal development and all of that. But I don't manifest that thing by not creating a channel. I don't manifest that thing by not creating videos, editing them. That is a thought. I want to manifest being this, make XYZ amount of money by being a content creator, and work with top brands. But then I have to make the videos that can get me that opportunity. So that's my point about manifestation. Like, you have to make sure that you are actually putting the actions that requires you to get to that place. So I think That's like the common misconception about like people have about manifestation. They're like, well, because I think about it, it should just happen. The earth should just find somewhere to just connect me to that. But it doesn't work that way. The earth does not work that way. You have to put in effort. You have to put in the work that is required to actually get you to that point where you want to become. That's actually my 2 cents about what manifestation is. I think why I'm making this video actually is because I had a conversation with a friend, and then he was just saying he wants to manifest this, he wants to do this. I think he watched a video where we have been saying about manifestation, and then somebody even talked about how meditation can put it. I just told him that all of these things are good. I mean, people meditate, I meditate. There's sometimes where I just want to be in that presence, and I just want to be in that space where I allow my thoughts, I think through my heart, and I want to rewire, I want to rebrand, I want to reconnect basically. And then but then if I want to do all of these things, I have to now do the work that is required and be consistent with the work that is required to get me to that place. This is basically what I want to share. This just is some of the part of the conversation we had, and I just felt like making this video to just talk about it, because I think many people also have that idea that I can manifest anything. But you can manifest anything, yes, I agree with you, but you have to work the work that requires you to become that thing that you've wanted to manifest, or you've been wanting to manifest. If not, you're just going to just suffer basically and just keep manifesting and in your head, and nothing's going to come. Nobody believe, because I believe then something when it's going to start come and drop in my body. If I don't work, I will not make money. So that's what I think. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Basically, I think I've done what I want to say, and I'll see you on the next one.